Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to follow up on an idea that I shared with you on September the 22nd. That's this day right here on the chart. It's World Wrestling Entertainment, ticker WWE. Now, on September the 22nd, I had noted that WWE was holding a pretty important upward sloping trend line on the chart. And you can see how it tested it multiple times. Right there, right there, right there, right there. And then it did it a few more times before breaking out. And so I just want to follow up and say that if you took this idea and you're still holding this stock, it should not be a loss at this point. You should definitely be ratcheting up your stops or selling into this strength. And one thing that really catches my eye is the fact that this stock was holding around some key moving averages when the overall market was still in a clear downtrend. And so what we call that is relative strength. And so we want to pay attention to stocks that are holding up when the market is bad, because the idea is then when the market does, or if it does turn around, those stocks that are holding up around key moving averages have the potential to really make some outsized moves. And that's kind of what we saw here on WWE, where it, it just kind of went up, off the 8-day exponential period moving average, up almost 9% in a straight line in 4 days. And so this is just a classic example of not giving up on things when the market is bad, but also paying attention to stocks around their key moving averages. And this gave you multiple opportunities to get in, and even if you got shaken out on one of these fake out days, it gave you an opportunity to get back in, and it firmed up. And so, again, just want to follow up and say congratulations if you took this trade idea. They don't all work, but this one did. So hopefully this helped you stay involved in the market even when things were looking bad. If you want to find out what else we're looking at StockMarketMentor.com, take a trial, click the link, and I'll see you on the other side.